Hi, welcome to Turn Right Machine Works. My name is Keith. Today's video is basically to show you how my system and my water tray and downdraft is actually functioning. I put all the videos together and actually showed you how I put it together, and it's only fair that I pass on some honest footage of how the system's actually working. You can see all the staining here, and I've done a lot of cutting in this corner here, but I actually did extend out all the way across the table here. I was asked what the CFM rating was on my draft pump there, and at the time of the question there I wasn't able to answer that. Well, what I did is a little research as far as the size of the impeller, 10 5/8. The housing is rated at 3,600 RPMs on the pump, but it's driven with a 1-horse 220 electric motor with a speed of 3450. 4-inch in, 4-inch out, if I didn't say that already. And what I did is I went into my Granger catalog, MSC catalog, I think Mastercar, and a few other catalogs that have got similar units for sale in there, and they've got their ratings and so on. I've estimated through that referencing that I've got about 550 CFM on that one single pump. Now I have another one out there and I could dub it into the system and I can double that out, especially the way that I teed it up, thinner, you know. I teed it off and come in on each side of my table. And I put together some video footage so that you could see different alloys of steel, aluminum, stainless, and cutting them, and some top view shots of actually this plate right here. When it extended down here, I was doing some edge piercing, and it's a pretty clear and cut that you know, that action of piercing right here at the edge, and I actually did leave enough room in here, but it does pierce, and the plume will come out here and then quickly it just gets sucked right in there. I got some fantastic inside down below the grill shots, so you can actually see what's happening in there. I wanted to know myself, and what a better way than to put a camera in there and then load it into your computer and actually visually see what is happening down there. And then I will be putting together a video of pulling out the grill and doing a cleanup on this, because that's one of the next things I'm doing. So does my downdraft take care of large open areas? No, you can exceed the amount of draw that you're going to need to get that hydrocarbons all the way down below there. But I've learned that taking the heat blankets, actually I use it as a heat blanket. This is actually a welding curtain, or was a welding curtain, part of one, and it had the grommets, and you tied it to the frame all the way around. And I had a real large brazing job, and I was out of A-cloth, and I sacrificed it. But I do find that bringing this material up, I would like to design and build a regular blind rotating holder that clips over the edge here, and you could pull it in 3-4 ways, however you want, snap it in either way. Bring it in and close off your draw close to your opening. As long as that draw is confined within a certain limit there of opening, there's absolutely zero hydrocarbons above my cut, and it's amazing. You'll see in the videos. Actually, let's just not even talk about it. Let's just get on and I'll give you a little glimpse of what's going on here. Forgot a couple things to let you know, because the question's going to come up again. You're going to be down there looking, how far is that water surface from my cut? Now right now this is 3/8 plate up in here. Some of the things that you'll see were 1/2 inch. The smallest was like 3/16 of an inch thick of the stainless steel. That I got some of that. I got some of half-inch stainless steel, but it was a straight line, and I was going a little bit quick on the cut, and you could tell that the arc was really drifting behind, the slope behind on the cut. Right now, down to the water, and my tray's been sitting here for a day or so, so it might have a little evaporation, but I'm about 7.5 inches down to the water. Also, some of the pictures you may see this fourth SO cable coming down here. I've got that strapped there because I'm doing testing on the 4 cables coming down and moving around. I've got all my components now, I just haven't had time yet, but I'm going to be taking the entire pop-away torch off and modifying and putting in a stop arc switch, which will immediately cut the spark as soon as it tumbles. But this other cable, that's what is hanging down, and you'll see that in some of the videos there.
half-inch stainless steel.